We're here today in my living room. I know, it's a weird background. We're not used to this, are we, on this channel? Well, here we are. What is this, you may be wondering? It's an RGB recliner. That's right, ladies and gentlemen. We're mixing tech with furniture. Some company called Weilianda. We're gonna get it open. We're gonna test it out. We're gonna game on it. And I'm gonna tell you how comfortable or not comfortable it is. It's $900, so it better be comfortable. That's all I'm saying. And also, if you're interested, discount code, I'll put it up here on the screen right now, 25% off. Let's get into unboxing, assembly, and dude, I'm so excited for this thing. Yeah, let's just get it open. It looks like it's a good portion of it is already put together. So that's a good sign. I hope they have these recliners by themselves, but they also, where you can like buckle multiple ones in a row and make like a long like chain of them. So you can make like a couch out of it. They also have single ones, which is what we're taking a peek at today. I don't even think I have to assemble it. I really think it looks like it's just put together already. First off, we have the back. Oh my God, I'm so excited about this. Is legit. Yo. Very careful, don't cut the leather. I'm not cutting it. Wow, look at the logo. Since 2008, Weilianda. That's a flex, dude. They're flexing hard. We got cup holder on either side. We have button for something on either side. Oh, this is where you put the tray into. You could switch it from one side to the other. You have armrest storage. Oh my God, look at how deep it is. Look at how deep that went. And there's still like this much space above it. Look at that. What is this? This is just like a picture frame. Oh, duh, yeah, it's the tray. A picture frame? I was like, did I get an award for buying chair? Okay, there's the instructions. And the tray. Cool. That's really deep, dude. Hold on. I'm gonna get the measuring tape. That's a foot. Nice. All right, so I have the two pieces. We'll just start putting them together. I think you just slide it right on. Here's the power supply back here. This you just plug into the wall, and then there's a plug over here too, just a small one. There's a plug right here. And this plugs into that weird plug I showed you on the back right here. They plug together. I think it literally just snaps on. I don't think I really have to do anything. Let me look at the instructions just to make sure. Oh, yes. That seems correct. Oh yeah. Wow, dude, okay. And then I'm gonna hold this with my head. On this thing, there's a little thing that folds out and you just fold it out first. That's why it didn't work for me. And then shove it in there and then clip it closed. And that way it stays nice and it's not going anywhere, buddy. There's a Velcro strip right here and you attach that. There's already a dog hair in it from me. And then there's another strip down here and you just attach it. That's it, dude. Oh, that was so easy. I was dreading this. I thought it'd be hard to put together. Oh, I love it. I don't know if I want to sit in it yet. I'm just enjoying this moment. All right, so that was extremely easy to put together. It literally just clips on, no tools necessary. It came just perfect as long as you can like get it out of the box. Literally just break the box open and get some scissors or whatever. That was so easy. I could do it by myself. Let's go. No help from the camera woman today. Not necessary. So we're just gonna plug it in, sit in it, see what it does. Like I said, you guys have already seen the armrest. Very, very deep. I'm proving a point. I wouldn't actually leave it in here, I don't think, but. Legit, there's plenty of space too. I didn't break it or anything. So you got the armrest, so you have your little slot for the tray here and here. We'll set that up in a second. You got two big old cup holders. Here's our thermos cup. Let's see if that fits in there. All right, so I'll put a thermos cup in there. It's pretty wide. That's not bad, huh? All right, hashtag Thermos plug. Thermos sent this to me for free and they even engraved it for me. It says Noodle Nick. And it's pretty big, so I wanna see if it fits in the cup holder. Anyways, hey, This is a big cup, dude. Look at that. You got your freaking dad cup, bro. I'm gonna leave that there. Let's put the tray on. I want the full experience before I sit down. I bet you I could do it, no instruction necessary. This is all the hardware this entire chair comes with, this thing. And a little wrench. Look at this, this is a tiny little wrench. The tiny little wrench. It's a flat one, but still cute. Here's the tray, it's like matte black. Plastic, ABS, whatever you wanna call it. Decently durable. I didn't crack it. I put a decent amount of force into it. Not a lot. I'm not trying to crack it on purpose, but I put some good force into it. It feels really solid. So we're just going to take the threaded end and screw it in right here. And then the wrench is here. There's two little notches. You just grab it with the wrench and then tighten it. It's already tight, I guess. And then I think it's just a quick release. So I'm pretty sure you just like, see, like you wouldn't be able to use like a mouse or a mouse pad, but that's pretty cool. All right, well that's set up, so I'm gonna go ahead and plug it in. It looks like there's a USB-A, a USB-C, a power button, and up and down, I'm assuming for this part, and then an up and down for recline. No manual controls, all electronic controls, but they didn't put the effort on me to build it. Anyways, if it's not comfortable, none of this matters, right? So maybe I should just shut up and sit in it and tell you how it is. But I did plug it in, and there's a little blue indicator right here, so I at least know that something's going on here. What does this do? RGB's on! Look, RGB on the bottom. RGB in the cup holders. Look at that, RGB. We're definitely leaving this on at all times. Okay, we got the foot recline. Oh, this is just reclining everything. Oh my God. Why does it go back so far? Yeah, holy crap. Wait, what does the other button do then? Oh, the headrest. Wow. What? Whoa. Whoa. No way. Look at that. Okay, definitely worth $900. Hold on. I've never seen that in a chair, and I've been furniture shopping before. That's really impressive. I love it. It's great. Okay, I'm gonna sit in it. If it fits, I sit. Oh, oh, oh yeah. Dad mode activated. I need to be working. I need to do work. Oh, I'm sick of working. Gone. This is like really comfy, man. It feels like one of those, like, you know, like those high-end like movie theater seats, but like brand new and not like sat in by 1,000 people, not full of popcorn or whatever. That's it. It's just those buttons. That's literally it. I'm in. See you in space. I'm going 0 gravity. Hopefully my tummy not exposed. Oh. Oh. Dude. Oh yeah, I'm in a contemplative state now. No one can stop me now. You know what I need now? I need like a monitor on the ceiling. We have monitors. Hear me out. No? Okay. That could be a cool video. Ceiling monitor. This is nice. I feel like I'm at the dentist office, but there's no dentist to worry about here. My neck. Now I can lean back and also watch TV. I feel like I'm in a hospital bed now, but I mean, I'm not mad about it. Oops, I turned off the RGB. Look at him. Look at him running around. Hey! Yeah, you ready to get the smoke, bro? You ready to get the smoke? I don't think I'm smoking him. Oh, wait a minute. Worth it, worth it. I got a healer. Yeah, final thoughts. I really like this thing. It felt awesome while gaming. It's so cute. It's so fun. It's just super comfortable. I don't know. I feel like a king. It's great. I feel like I'm on my throne. Thank you, Weilianda. This thing's freaking awesome. I never expected the head to move. I was like, what the heck? And then they can just sit back so far. RGB, leather. I don't know what else to say. And you can fit your freaking laptop or like paperwork or home protection device, tablet, anything you want in there. That's sick, dude. I finally have my dad throne. I'll take 3, thank you. I really hope you guys check it out. If you're interested, like I said, use the discount code. Follow my link. I checked it. It works. If you like this chair video, check out more office chair video. I'll leave office chair video up there. Okay, see you in the next video. Bye-bye. Bye it. Bye it. Bye-bye. CEO Weilianda. Smash like, subscribe. You guys, bye it.